Hello everyone, thanks for coming back to the channel. The title for today's video is Why There Has Never Been a Better Time to Be Online. Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts after the break. Hi everyone, why there has never been a better time to be online. If you've not subscribed already, I'm on a website now, internetlivestatistics.com, and it's showing you the number of internet users in the world, and it's in real time, so that's 4 billion internet users. Total number of websites is going up. Emails sent today, Google searches today, blog posts written today, tweets today, all of these are live, real-time totals. Videos viewed on YouTube today, photos uploaded on Instagram, Tumblr posts, etc. Facebook Live, that's wrong, obviously Google Plus, Pinterest users, Skype calls, websites hacked, computers sold. There's no they should have a figure for Zoom, and I think Zoom's active users now is around 200 million, and they used to be at 10 million just before the pandemic started, and now they're at 200 million. What is the point of all these stats? Well, the opportunity is there because you have a captive audience. So whereas in some businesses, service businesses, and other B2B businesses, there's been a perception that online is good to have. It's a nice to have. It's a nice additional channel to be represented in. But now, given the state of the lockdown globally, and given the state of the need for businesses to keep ongoing with their business development, now is the time to be online and to be active. So if you've always had reasons for not blogging, not making videos, I mean, let me just show you. So here's my company website. So we're still blogging on here every week. And if we go here, click, no, we don't want to click there, we want to click there. You can see weekly blog posts are being updated. So are you giving lapsed customers enough attention? So there's always, we're continuing with the weekly blog posts. Also have this website, which is a personal finance website. What are the coronavirus job opportunities? How to make money giving blood, how to make money selling your hair. So that's a personal finance website. Twitter, obviously I'm active on Twitter on weekdays and less so at the weekends, but I'm creating content there, and I'm distributing content from my blog and from my YouTube channel. Also to a lesser extent on Quora. That's my Quora platform. Should really open up YouTube because that's what we are talking about now. So you can see on YouTube I'm posting 2 videos a week, even in the pandemic, and what I'm finding is I'm getting more views and more watch time because people are a captive audience. And now this is not an opportunity I want to keep to myself. I'm saying to everybody, all the viewers, all the subscribers, if you have a business or an organization and you are online, you need to intensify your efforts there. So if you're only blogging infrequently, make sure you create a new schedule and start to blog and distribute, use the social media channels to distribute your content. And if you have a YouTube channel, make sure you're creating videos every week, upload those, and then engage with the comments that come through. I'm getting more comments now, I've noticed, since the pandemic hit. So this is the best time to be online. When the pandemic is over, then people will be able to, all of the lockdowns in the respective countries, lockdowns obviously in the UK, in the US, in France, in Germany, and lots of countries, I think probably about 160, I think 180 countries have some kind of restrictions on your movement. So when that's over, people aren't going to be looking at your blog posts as much as perhaps they potentially are now. They're not going to be looking at your videos at that time. They're not going to be looking at your videos as much as they are now. So now is the time to build your reputation, to create the content and get it out there, because you've got a very good chance of increasing your reach, increasing your footprint, and for people to be more receptive to your content, and also for people to be introduced to your content. As I say, I started this by saying we're in the golden age of the internet, and as that relates to businesses, it's a massive opportunity, and I want everybody who's watching this video to take that opportunity and not to waste it. And because in a few months' time there will be people who have been totally transformed by the activity that they did during the pandemic, during the lockdown period. I want to be one of those as well, and I want you to be one of those. So thank you for watching this all the way through. If you've not subscribed already, click on one or two screenshots to watch another video from me. I look forward to speaking to you next time. Thanks. Bye bye.